a ghost. Boo. I'm a ghost. I'm boo. 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 Okay. Anyway. Oh. Oh no, it's twisted. Oh no. Oh no, I twisted it. Oh no. I don't know how to fix it. How do I fix this? I don't know how to fix this. Okay, let's just get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's tilted again. I tilted it again. Wait, what if I... There we go. And we're playing. Hello. Hello. I know. See you. Do I know? I don't know anything. Was it... I just closed the fucking tab. I just... See you was quit. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm a fucking idiot. Open. Yeah, I opened. Well, now I know that I can't first and see you. I don't know if he has music. I haven't heard anything. Oh, shit. Oh, oh frick, oh frick, oh frick, oh frick. No, we're gonna pretend that it's... Nah, what happens if I don't answer? Like, come on now. Is it one of my stalkers? I never answer my... Fuck! 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 What did this break? I'm not... Oh, fuck! Fine, I'll answer it. How do I answer it? Oh? Oh gosh. Is it because I passed it? The little tongue has the tongue sticking out as well. Now I'm the same as a ghost. Hehehe. Hello? Who is this?
Who is this man?
Anything? Oh shit, what's that? What? What? What was that? What the hell? What was that? What? So far so good, I guess? It was over here, wasn't it? Over here. Yeah, I went here and then it just triggered. Fuck! Okay, so they do drop. See? But this chair moved differently this time. What if I sit on it? Nothing? Okay. It's kind of scary though, it's spooky scary. Because the phone is not ringing this time. What is this? Oh, this is a thing that I can go in. A smartphone, I don't use it much anymore. But I swear it rang at one point, so is it just like some stuff? Fuck. I've done something I shouldn't have. What? Oh, it's different outcomes generated in the freaking... Fuck! Why does that always break? Fuck! Fuck! It's way too much stuff. What is this? I'm lonely. Fuck! What was that? Ooh, scary. Hello. You're gonna call again, aren't you? Oh gosh. There's gonna be a little ghosty, isn't it? Scary. Oh, I know the ghostie's name? Oh? Hey. Am I collecting words? I think I'm gonna... I need to get like the endings in a specific order. Maybe. It's interesting, but I'm scared. You're not in the mood to read, okay. Oh, fuck. What is that? What the fuck was that? I don't know what that was. Oh shoot. Oh, so it's like continuously the same thing? Oh frick. So can I actually get her? Oh, they added text. Oh shoot. This is a different room. This is different. I don't like this. It feels almost alive. Yeah. Can I not look at that? Can I? Do I fall through the floor? Oh fuck. Okay, you know what? Can we go out? Can't stand this room. That was funny. The way that the bed tried taking me back as well, and I was like, you know what? No, I'm not doing that. I'm leaving. Sayonara. Oh fuck! It's the same room. Oh fuck! So it's just things keep getting added to the room. Oh, the thing moved again. The flowers. Hi, are you saying something to me? Unseen force, yeah. Alright. Wait. Wait. Dun, dun. Oh shit. That scared the shit out of me. Frick. No. Fuck that, I'm leaving again. Bye. No, I'm not. Bye. I am a coward. I am a coward. But I got a different ending, you know? Different ending? Maybe I need to keep leaving. Oh fuck. That scared the shit out of me though. Why do I keep coming here? What is this? Why is there a barrel in my room? That's a good question, isn't it? What is that hole? Can I go through the hole? Go through the hole. The fireplace rare these days. Oh gosh, there's so much happening on the screen. Wait, I got a her ending? But I swear I saw that face before. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Its head got cut off. Yeah. It did get cut off. Oh shit. Also, am I meant to answer the phone before she comes out? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I don't know what just happened. Oh, she wants me to read. Okay. Okay. Oh, money! Is this money? Oh, is this like a stalker? In 2 days, it'll be 6 years of dating. I decided I'll make his favorite meal. I'm sure he'll love it. I'm supposing Yankazuki said he has an important business trip tomorrow. And I was already all done shopping. Oh my god. I don't think reading is a good thing for me. I'm just embarrassing myself. I can't even give him my present. Well, today makes 6 years. I know it's rough. I was too harsh on the phone yesterday. I'm sorry. Well, stop haunting me then. Called to say he'll be back tomorrow. It feels like it's been so long. I better meet him at the airport. So you went to the airport? Is she dead? This is closure. I swear this is like, ah, that's cute. It's a cute ending. I don't know how do, oh shit. This scary. This is very spooky scary. Oh. I hate the way she keeps coming in. Like, stop scaring the shit out of me. I mean, I know this is the point of this, but like, aren't you meant to be my girlfriend? Aren't you meant to be nice to me? You're meant to be my nice to me. You're meant to be my girlfriend. Be nice. What is this? Oh! Fuck. She's coming again. I'm gonna cry if she comes again. I'll come meet you tomorrow. I see. Is that why you're here? Notice. Oh shit, that means that she's coming now. She'll be coming for us. Oh no. I don't want this. I don't want this. Wait for me. Oh, she's gonna come. Oh lord, she's coming. Oh lord. Ah, so this is her. So that was her. Right. So she's... It's kind of cute when you think about it, but still scary, like... Leave me alone. A fireplace, very rare these days. Yes, it is, isn't it? Can I look out the window? Was that my girlfriend? It's that thing again. Oh, that's the ending, isn't it? That I get to see her naked. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! But hold on, I thought she's dead. She's showing me her little ghosty butt. Ghosty butt. What's happening on the TV? Yeah, I'm aware. Oh, okay. So I can't check the same thing over and over again. Otherwise, it's the same ending. Well, I guess I'm just gonna. Can I go to bed? Can I go on bed? Oh, I can. I can sleep. Just let it be morning. All right. Oh damn. Hi. Oh, yeah, because she said she was coming, but then I didn't want to bother with her. Hi. Why is it lit? I don't know. It's blue. It's got blue flames like Azula's fire. Oh. It hurt. What did she do? What did she do? But it was some kinky stuff. So I'm meant to just chill in here. I'm gonna sit here. There we go. Just waiting for her. There's something over here. But I don't know what. I don't know where I'm meant to go. I know she's moving that thing. Am I meant to check that out first? Oh, mirror. So that was another ending? It's a simple game. It's pretty cute. What happens if I leave again? Oh, she's coming again. I'm not allowed to leave. Oh, she's coming. Oh lord, she's coming. Kind of. You kind of did. Can I hug her? I'll hug her. What happened? Aww. That's scary. What the hell? She's gonna kill me, isn't she? Oh, she's not. Aww. Oh, she was the one that we saw naked.